Hey guys, this is on a Huawei P30 Lite Android 10 based EMUI 10 stable update is rolling out now. Yes guys, Chinese smartphone maker Huawei seems to be rolling out a new software update for the Huawei P30 Lite smartphone. This new update is based on the Android 10 operating system on top of the company's new EMUI 10 custom skin. And the latest update bumps up the version number to EMUI 10.00159, and it is currently available for the users based in Asia, and the update could likely expand in more regions less countries as well in the coming weeks as well. RPRNA reports that says that the OTA update is about 4 GB in size and brings the Android 10 based EMUI 10 custom skin to the device as well, and Huawei is rolling out the update to the device in staged manner, so it should take a while before reaching all Huawei P30 Lite units. Gradually, users will receive push notification to download the update. If they not, then the update can be checked by going to the settings, then about phone section, then systems and update section, then from there software update and check for update, and you can download easily. And yeah guys, that's that. Let me know what do you think about it. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Peace.